Hey guys, welcome back again. In this class, we are going to solve this given equation. So our question is x square minus x cube equal to 12, and we have to find out the value of x. Find the value of x. So we have to find the value of x. Let's start. Okay. So first of all, I'll write what is given. Given is x square minus x cube equal to 12. This is what given is. So next what I'm going to do here, I'll just take this constant to left hand side. Then it becomes x square minus x cube minus 12 equal to 0. Just look at this equation. Here the highest power is x cube, right? X cube, then x square, only constant is there. That's why I'm just writing this constant into two parts, like x square minus x cube minus of this 12 can be written as 8 plus 4. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. Why I have took this step, I'll tell you later here. Okay, so the next step is x square minus x cube plus into minus 8 plus into minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so next x square minus x cube, this 8 can be written as 2 cube and 4 can be written as 2 square equal to 0. So to get these powers equal, I'll just wrote this step. Okay, fine. Okay, next what I'm going to do here, I'll just write same powers to one side. Means first we'll write x square, okay, minus 2 square, okay, then minus of, okay, x cube plus 2 cube. Have you got this step? So look at here, this is x square and x2 square. I'll wrote it one side. Minus of plus is minus x cube, minus of plus is minus 2 cube. Okay, fine. So by looking at this both, we can remember the formula. So we know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. At the same time, we know that a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, we know these formulas. So according to these formulas, we are going to expand this step. Okay, so this is a and this is b. At the same time, this is a, this is b. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, means x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, this is minus of a cube plus b cube is, I'm taking square bracket here. Okay, minus of a plus b means x plus 2 of a square minus ab plus b square means a square means x square minus ab means minus 2x plus b square means plus 2 square means 4. Okay, equal to 0. Understood? I'll just expand this step into a formula. Okay, as we have mentioned here. So next step will be x plus 2, okay, x minus 2. I'll just apply the sign here, minus of x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4, okay, equal to 0. Just look at here, here x plus 2 is common, here also x plus 2. So x plus 2 is same, that's why I am taking x plus 2 as common. Okay, x plus 2 of the remaining part is x minus 2. Okay, then minus of x square minus 2x plus 4, okay, equal to 0. Next step will be x plus 2, here x minus 2, this is minus x square, minus of minus plus 2x, minus of plus is minus 4, equal to 0. Next step will be x plus 2 of, here just look at here, minus x square is there, which is the highest power over here. Then 2x and x, here plus is there, here plus means plus 3x. Here minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Okay, equal to 0. Here two cases arises, which is x plus 2 equal to 0, which is 1, and another one is minus x square plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find out the value of x. So from this we can get easily the value of x is minus 2, which is 1 root. Okay, so here I'm just taking minus sign as common here, means x square minus of minus is plus 3x minus of plus is minus of 6 equal to 0. So we'll get x square minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, here we have to find out the roots, and we know that to find the root of x is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 4ac, sorry, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, this is the formula. According to this formula we are going to find out the roots of this equation. Okay, let's see. So here in the place of b, this is, I'll write here, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 6. Okay, so x equal to minus b means minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a means 1 into c means 6. Okay, divided by 2a, 2 into a means 1. Okay, so next step will be minus of minus is plus 3 plus or minus square root of, here minus 3 whole cube means 9 minus 6 fours 24 divided by 2. Next step will be 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 24, which is minus 15 divided by 2. So we know that under root value will never be negative. That's why 3 plus or minus square root of 15 we have to write same, and instead of minus we can write I here. I means imaginary number divided by 2. Therefore clearly we have 3 roots. Okay, therefore x equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15I divided by 2. These are the two roots of x here. Means total we have 3 roots. First x root is 2, then x2 value is 3 plus square root of 15I divided by 2, then x3 value is 3 plus or is 3 minus square root of 15I divided by 2. So these are the 3 roots for this question. So our question is x square minus x cube equal to 12 minus 2. So in the place of x we have to take minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 whole cube equal to 12. Okay, minus 2 whole square means here power is even, that's why minus will also take the positive sign, which is 4, minus of, here power is odd and minus is there, so minus 8 equal to 12. Then 4 minus of minus is plus, 8 equal to 12. 12 equal to 12. So hence proved. Means x equal to -2 is the correct value, and the rest these two are the complex one. So I hope guys you understood this sum well. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.